We understand sometimes you want to invite the client into their ZonGuru file, or maybe you have a staff member that you want to give access to, but only certain tools and not others. You have that ability. So from your agency login, simply click login to the individual file that you're wanting to grant permission to. You'll be navigated into that file, and from the top right-hand menu, just select Assistant Manager. This is where you can individually invite people into the file and specify exactly what permissions you would like to give them. Enter the email address here, and then just toggle on and off any tools that you would like to grant permission to. Click send. They will receive an email in their inbox inviting them to set up their unique login with their own email and password. They will not have access to your agency dashboard. They'll be directed straight into the individual ZonGuru file that you've invited them into. This is a brilliant way to make sure that security is maintained and those people are only seeing access to the tools that you want them to see access to. Of course, at any stage you can remove access. You can see under here the people that have access to this file. I can simply click the little trash can icon to remove them from the file or change their access settings as we go. Of course, if you have any other questions about this, just reach out to the ZonGuru support team and we'll be happy to help.